Hey, and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. And what we simply have here is we have a 400 amp electrical panel, and the installation is going to be the wires, the main feeders coming in, which is 400 amp for the 400 amp service. Again, these are 250 KCMIL parallel feeds of cables that I'm running. Again, the cables are the same length. Of course, when it comes to parallel runs, you also have to make sure that your length are all the same. And again, I'm going on to the top of the 400 amp distribution service. That's where I'm going to land my wires from the top. As you can see, I have one set of cables landed. And again, this is on the mounted on the wall, mounted on the sheet of weatherproof plywood. Reason for the sheet of plywood is simply because there's going to be, mildew inside of the electrical room. It's going to be moisture, and there shouldn't be no type of moisture getting into the actual electrical panel when it comes to you performing your electrical installation. And that is part of a code compliance rule also. Again, you see the wires that I have here on the side. So many electrical wires, so many different size of electrical cables. You have 12-2 electrical cable, you have 14-2 electrical cable, you have 14-3 electrical wire, you also have 10-3 electrical cable, you also have 8-3 electrical wires. So again, there's so many different wires. We have the 12-2 for the kitchen. We also have the 12-2 for the outdoor AC. So again, these wires all should be labeled before you even land them. Why labeling is so important? Labeling is so important to me because it saves me time, and time that I don't have once I'm starting to finish up the job. It's very important not to be running back before the job is coming to the end to start to troubleshoot where all your wires are going. It simply wastes a lot of time, time that is very precious to us. And every minute that counts is actually a good thing. As you can see, this is a pretty big job that I'm carrying on here. Also, you can see the wires touching the dot. That there has to be within the code compliance, where I'm going to have to place some insulation between my wires and the dot to keep the code compliance, stay within my code rules, follow the So again, many of you might ask, what will happen if the inspector comes and the job is not ready for inspection? Well, you're simply going to have to rebook your inspection, because you've now wasted the time of the electrical inspector. So it's best to have everything prep and ready to go. And the cardboard that you saw me having on top of the actual electrical breaker, the 400 amp breaker, that is to protect the actual breaker from receiving the shavings once I'm starting to drill. Again, those shavings shall not enter the panel. Any part of the panel it should not be. It's going to affect the actual working of the panel. So again, when it comes to me drilling into the 400 amp panel, or whether it be a 100 amp panel, I kind of, or even if it's a transformer for some sort, I like to cover the main stuff to make sure that there's nothing that's going to enter it. So again, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services, and I will catch you guys on the next video.